But I lubricate this, do both sides, and then operate the window. That's just how dirty those windows are. Eee, doggy. Clean as a whistle. The products we're going to use for this project is distilled white vinegar, Dawn dishwashing liquid, a spray bottle, a funnel if you want, and water. Distilled water won't have the impurities in it. Might work a little better, but I just use tap water. You just take the top off your spray bottle. I'll drop a funnel in. We got this much water. Pour the water in. Take the distilled vinegar and put about the same amount in there. And we'll pour that in. And with the Dawn, I don't get real scientific about it. I just put a squirt in, maybe a teaspoon, like that. But if you want more of a scientific measure, maybe 1 to 2 tablespoons per gallon of mix. Let's go clean some windows. These windows are not that foggy because it's snowing outside. It's in the middle of summer, and it's not because it's a foggy, humid day, because it's a crisp, clear day today. They are that dirty, actually. And here's proof of some windows that I washed before these. Nice and clear. So let's get these cleaned up. Let's see how this works. Before I start cleaning the windows, I like to go around and do a little maintenance to keep them operating properly. Behind this plastic strip is what's called a balance. It's a spring with a screw at the top. It's like a pipe in here with a spring in it, a screw at the top, and then it's attached to the window, and that's what holds your window in place. These are single hung windows, so I take a little WD-40 and I just spray up like that and let it run down the spring, and that'll keep that lubricated from drying out and breaking. And there's the balance I was telling you about. It's behind this plastic here, and that's what we're lubricating. And there's a spring, and then it's attached to the bottom of the window here, behind all the cobwebs and everything else. Dirty, dirty, dirty. But I lubricate this. You could do it from the inside too, like this. Do both sides and then operate the window. Because those will break, and that'll keep them nice. And then I just spray a little touch along here, and do the same thing on the other side. And then just take the window and operate it. Now these windows are 20 years old, and so if you maintain them, they'll last a long, long time. Now let's get to cleaning. We've got our window cleaner all mixed up, and it's good to use a clean rag. This one's a little dirty. I've been doing the windows all over the house. Some people like microfiber towels. Wouldn't hurt. I just spray both the top and bottom sash, and wipe them down. I know you can use a squeegee too, which is great, but I just keep it simple. I'm not a professional. Just want to have nice clean windows. You can see how much better that looks already. We haven't even done the outside, which is filthy dirty. Now for the bottom, so it's right here. Just raise it up and wipe it down. Now on single hung windows and double hung windows, you can also tilt. There's little latches here. I can go outside and do these, but you can tilt these in and wash them, which is real nice. Let's go outside and take care of the outside and see how they turn out. Now these are so dirty outside, and I got my spiders and everything else here. I like to wipe it down with a separate rag and even spray it down just real quick. And then I'll do a final cleaning with the cleaner one. Now to keep it simple, I don't spend all day doing this. I do one a day. And I don't know, I got 30 windows in the house. And before you know it, you're all done without too much hardship. Beautiful. Let's go inside and see how they turned out. Mindy! Minnie offered to help, but I told her I had it under control, so she's back to grazing. And look at that window now. We've done the one on the left, and man, does that look good. Yee doggy. Clean as a whistle. Beautiful. There's the before, and there's the after. You will be amazed at the difference clean and well-maintained windows make in your home. If this video was a help to you, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. And I look forward to helping you with other projects online.